Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Here I am in the bathroom with a bottle of wine. You think I have a problem? I'm by myself in here, nobody else in here, just me and a bottle of wine. The problem is my blade may be too sharp on its very first shave. So what can be done about that? I'll show you something that can be done and it might help. Have you ever had a blade that was too sharp on its first shave but was close and comfy on subsequent shaves? Feather blades have been said to perform better on the second and third shave than the first. Many gents do say that. The blade may have microscopic burrs left over from the manufacturing process, or it may have a thin coating that disappears after a few strokes or an entire shave. Here's something you can do that just might make that blade perform the same on the first, second, third, and maybe more shaves. In other words, calm that blade down or make it smooth, like Fonzie. You know, Arthur Fonzarelli from Happy Days? I'm dating myself. You youngsters won't even know who that is. But you guys are a little bit older, you know who it is. And by the way, Arthur the Fonz, that cool dude, he never rode that motorcycle. In the intro where he pulled up on the bike, he never rode it. He was definitely afraid of it. Henry Winkler, yeah, that's right, never rode the bike. How many Happy Days characters can you name in 30 seconds? Ready? Go. Arthur Fonzarelli, Richie C, Potsy, Ralph, Mr. C, Mrs. C, Joni, Chachi, the restaurateur was Al. That's it. That's it for me. The mom, what was her name? Muriel, I think. But that's all I can do in 15 or so seconds. How about you? How did you do? Right now I'll show you how to cork the razor blade so that it will take that edge off, take that microscopic edge off, and make that first shave a little bit more comfortable for you. Everything you need to do this is probably already lying around the house. You won't have to go out and buy anything. A bottle of wine, you just need the cork, not the bottle. So you can drink the bottle and then save the cork. Or you can use a packing peanut. This is a little S-shaped packing peanut. It's a pink one, it's cute. And here's a white one. Or a chunk of styrofoam like this will do as well. Oh, of course, you need safety gloves. You need protective gloves. So let's put on our gloves. You know, if this was just me doing this by myself, I probably wouldn't wear gloves, but you know, you gotta do it for the video. We don't want anybody to injure themselves. So here we go. Got my gloves, ready to rock and roll. All you need to do, take that new blade or that old blade, whatever you prefer, remove it from the paper, grab it right in the middle, like so. And then you can take the cork off, but I'm gonna leave the cork on. It's easier to hold on to, less of a chance of cutting your other hand, the non-working hand, the holding hand. So just grab the blade like so, right in the middle, and just the very edge. You wanna take that edge and just run it, start at one side, and just pull it right through the cork. That's it. And then do the other side. Just pull it right through. Make sure your other hand's out of the way. Just start in the corner, pull it straight through like so. Don't try to push it. It's more difficult to push it. It's a lot easier if you can just pull it through like that. So that's how you do it on the cork. I'll show you one more time. Hopefully you can see it. And you can see how far it goes in. It doesn't go in very far. Just the edge of the blade, just like that. Flip it, do the other side, just like that. If you're using a packing peanut, same way, just let it right through, like so. That's the pink one. Here's the white one. I don't think there's any preference on the color, just like that. And here is the old chunk of styrofoam, straight through with the edge. But I feel that the best of these, the one that offers the most resistance, is the cork. I can feel it's a little more difficult to pull through. The styrofoam and the packing peanuts, they offer less resistance. So I would think the cork will be more effective in doing this. And if you're using a cork, you probably don't want to use the side that faces the wine because, you know, you don't want your blade to smell like old Chardonnay or whatever kind of wine it is that you drink. Here it is without the bottle. Just right through the corner, pull it straight through like so. That's it, nice and easy. Pulling the blade through one time on each side should do it, but if you prefer, you can drag it through a few more times and see if that gives you a better result. 2 or 3 more times, see if you like that better. Some gents will even do this after the shave, insisting that the procedure maintains the edge longer and extends the longevity of the blade. Experiment yourself with different materials, cork, styrofoam, etc., and let us know if you find this tip works or doesn't work for you. I'm curious. Comment down below, give it a try, let me know what you think. I'm going to lather up, get my shave on, and see if there's a noticeable difference on the first shave with this new feather blade after it's been corked. Give me a day or two, I'll leave some comments down below with my result. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Greatly appreciated. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.